Why do foods ferment differently in different hands? Have you ever wondered why the same recipe, made with the same ingredients, can produce different results in different hands? Why would a traditional pickle prepared by one person remain fresh for years, while another batch, made with identical ingredients, spoils much sooner? Is food preservation purely a matter of chemistry, salt content, and hygiene? Or could the state of the human mind play a subtle role as well? For generations, traditional cultures around the world have maintained that food is influenced not only by what goes into it, but also by the person who prepares it. This fascinating idea raises deeper questions about the relationship between consciousness, the body, and the material world. Let's explore this intriguing intersection of traditional wisdom, human psychology, and the mystery of food preservation. Traditional food preservation, more than ingredients. In earlier times, mangoes were preserved for many years in the form of traditional pickles, such as upumanga, karukumanga, and similar preparations. Remarkably, these pickles often contained no artificial preservatives. Salt was usually the primary preserving agent, yet many families reported that their pickles remained edible and free from spoilage for years, sometimes even for a decade or longer. Today, commercial pickles frequently contain various preservatives, yet they may still develop fungus, discoloration, or spoilage over time. Traditional communities offered an interesting explanation. They believed that successful preservation depended not only on ingredients and methods, but also on the qualities of the person preparing the food. The concept of Shuddha-Vrithikal. According to traditional wisdom, the individual preparing food should possess both physical cleanliness and mental purity. This principle is known as Shuddha-Vrithikal, purity in thought, conduct, and inner attitude. People believe that when food was prepared with care, discipline, and a calm state of mind, the resulting product possessed greater stability and longevity. Traditionally, pickles made from mango, gooseberry, lime, and lemon were often prepared under strict standards of cleanliness and discipline. Such practices became associated with respected family traditions and cultural values passed down through generations. In some regions, special customs surrounded the handling and storage of pickle jars. These practices reflected a broader belief that food preservation involved not only physical processes, but also subtle human influences. The human body as a living laboratory. Ancient teachings describe the human body as a living laboratory. The mind and body are not viewed as separate entities, but as deeply interconnected aspects of a single system. Modern science also recognizes that thoughts and emotions can influence bodily functions. When we experience stress, fear, joy, or excitement, measurable changes occur within the body. Hormones are released, biochemical reactions are triggered, and physiological processes shift accordingly. Consider what happens when a person constantly worries about illness. Repeated thoughts can create stress responses that affect sleep, digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. This demonstrates an important principle. Our mental state can influence our physical condition. Can consciousness influence matter? Traditional Vedic thought extends this principle even further. It teaches that Mana Shakti, the power of the mind, may influence matter, known as padartham, at subtle levels. According to this view, thoughts are not merely private mental events. They generate effects that may extend beyond the individual and interact with the surrounding environment. While modern science has not fully validated such claims in the context of food preservation, traditional knowledge systems maintain that consciousness and intention have profound significance. Whether these effects operate through subtle biological mechanisms, behavioral influences, environmental factors, or processes not yet fully understood, remains an open question. These traditions remind us that food is more than a collection of chemicals. It is also part of a relationship between nature, the body, and the human mind. Conclusion. The question, why do foods ferment differently in different hands, opens a fascinating doorway into both ancient wisdom and modern inquiry. Traditional cultures believe that purity of mind, disciplined living, and positive intention could subtly influence the quality and longevity of food. Modern science confirms that thoughts and emotions can affect the body, although many questions about consciousness and matter remain unanswered. Perhaps the deeper lesson is not merely about pickles or preservation. It is about recognizing the extraordinary connection between our thoughts, our bodies, and the world around us. The more we understand that connection, the more consciously we may live, think, and create. If you have had any takeaways or added value from this video, share them with others. And join us for more explorations into timeless wisdom and the mysteries of human life.